Good morning students, how are you? Fine? Great. Today we are going to start day 10, but before day 10, first of all we discuss the answers of day number 9. Now the first question was, interest on capital will be paid to partners if provided for in the partnership deed, but only out of dash. Option A, profit, option B, reserve, option C, accumulated profits, and option D, goodwill. The answer is option A, profits. Now question number 2, which one of the following items cannot be recorded in the profit and loss appropriation account? Option A, interest on capital, option B, interest on drawing, option C, rent paid to the partners, and option D, partners salary. The answer is option C, rent paid to partners. Now question number 3, if any loan or advances is provided by partners, then balances of such loan account should be transferred to option A, balance sheet asset side, option B, balance sheet liability side, option C, partners capital account, and option D, partners current account. Now answer is option B, balance sheet liability side. Now question number 4, on 1st June 2018, a partner introduced in the firm additional capital rupees 50,000, full stop. In the absence of partnership deed, on 31st March 2019, he will receive interest. Option A, rupees 3,000, option B 0, option C rupees 2,500, and option D rupees 1,800. Now the answer is option B 0. Now question number 5, on 1st Jan 2019, a partner advanced a loan of rupees 1 lakh to the firm. In the absence of agreement, interest on loan on 31st March 2019 will be option A nil, option B rupees 1,500, option C rupees 3,000, and option D rupees 6,000. The answer is option B, rupees 1,500. Now we are going to start day 10, and first question is on our screen. Question number 1, features of partnership firm are: option A, 2 or more persons are carrying common business under the agreement. Option B, they are sharing profit and losses in the fixed ratio. Option C, business is carried by all or any of them acting for all as an agent. And option D, all of the above. Now question number 2, in case of partnership, the act of any partner is: option A, binding on all partners, option B, binding on that partner only, option C, binding on all partner except the particular partner, option D, none of the above. Now question number 3, which of the following statement is true? Option A, a minor cannot be admitted as a partner. Option B, a minor can be admitted as a partner only into the benefit of the partnership. Now option C, a minor can be admitted as a partner, but his rights and liabilities are same of adult partner. Option D, none of the above. Now question number 4, ostensible partner are those who, option A, do not contribute any capital but get some share of profit for leading their name to the business. Option B, contribute very less capital but get equal profit. Option C, do not contribute any capital and without having any interest in the business, lend their name to the business. Option, contribute maximum capital of the business. Now question number 5, liability of partner is: option A, limited, option B, unlimited, option C, determined by court, and option D, determined by partnership act. तो ये सभी 5 क्वेश्चन थे. आप इन सभी 5 क्वेश्चंस के आंसर सर्च करें बच्चों, ढूंढें और हमें भेजें. कल हम इन 5 क्वेश्चंस के आंसर भेजते हैं आपको अलॉन्ग विद न्यू 5 क्वेश्चंस. थैंक यू बच्चों, एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू. बाय बाय.